Kids, today my topic is sound word a. Firstly, we will do the words orally and then you will repeat after me. So let us read the words. Firstly, hat, H-A-T, hat. Van, V-A-N, van. Can, C-A-N, can. Pan, P-A-N, pan. Fan, F-A-N, fan. Rat, R-A-T, rat. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Mat, M-A-T, mat. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Now we will do a look and write assignment on it. First picture is cat. C-A-T, cat. Next picture is can. C-A-N, can. Next picture is hat. H-A-T, hat. Rest of the assignment you will do yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.